trusted name in news.
You are now watching the CNN. We interrupt our program to bring you an important announcement. Please stay tuned for further information. This is the CNN broadcasting from London. Please stand by for further information, as this is known to bring you an important announcement. Just a few days ago, a comet was spotted in the sky. This is known as this event is called the return of Halley's comet. Just like the last time that happened a long time ago, this comet will come through London, but this time is not going to be like last time it happened. Back in the time the scientists predicted the Halley's comet will end up with London and will leave a poisonous gas that will kill all life and affect the city. Unfortunately, the scientists' prediction will become reality to this upcoming comet, due that this return will be completely dangerous. There's also something that will happen while the return of Halley's comet goes. Unfortunately, as took a long time ago, all the oceans will shift violently, causing to sink all of the land. If you live in Central America, we are sorry to announce that within the next hour all the water will sink through all Central America. There's no point in running from it. As it comes, all life will be vanished and all Central America will be sank without leaving no trace. If any religion gets applied to you, you may pray to your Lord and ask for forgiveness. If you are not that religious, then you must look for something else that comforts you. Everybody at the CNN is with you, being consolated during these scary times. Enjoy your last moments of your life by cherishing every moment you had in your life, and wait for the water to be shifted. Here from the CNN, we hope all your deaths are the best as they can be. May the Lord save you, and may the Lord save your presidents. Now returning back to London, the Halley's comet will leave a toxic smoke which can kill all of the people. Please note that there will be some smoke masks in all stores, but you may need to hurry because the smoke masks will be sold out. Thank you for tuning in. We will now show you the safety instructions. It is on your best interest that you pay attention to these instructions. Please stand by. Lately, there has already been announced that the comet came to North America to Europe, which said that in the next hour the comet will come across London. But thankfully, there are some safety instructions we will share to you. It's recommended that you pay attention to these instructions, are they known that will help you to survive. We will now show the safety instructions in a minute. Please stay tuned for further information. To stay protected, please use a mask, or you can also use anti-comet pills. To prevent the smoke from going everywhere at your house, it is clear that you might close all doors and windows and close the keyholes that are located in all your doors. We also recommend you to stay home, and don't go outside as the gas may be massively blowing with the wind. Also, if the comet lands, you need to hide to a very safe place. If you don't have one at home, you may go outside with a mask and go to a safety room very quickly, because this upcoming comet will be quick more than what you think about. Get a portable radio or portable TV to hear the following announcement we will show, so you can stay in the safety room until the all clear message is announced. This is all from us. Thank you for staying tuned. Now normal broadcasting will be resumed. And that's how we go, one day at a time. Don't leave, we will leave you with CNN 10. But remember to stay safe from the return of Halley's comet.